Thank you, Chair. His Excellency Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, Foreign Minister of the Islamic Republic of Iran, the current Chair of the ECO. Excellency Ceyhun Bayramov, Foreign Minister of the Republic of Azerbaijan, the 27th Chair of the ECO. His Excellency Murad Nurtalo, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Republic of Kazakhstan and the upcoming 29th Chair of the ECO for 2025, Honorable colleagues, Foreign Ministers, Heads of Delegations, Excellency Secretary General of ECO, Heads of ECO Specialized Institutions, Honorable Delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. It is indeed a great honor for me to represent Pakistan at the 28th ECO Council Ministers meeting in the sacred and the holy city of Mashhad, the city of Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Raza alayhi salam. May Allah bless him and his noblest family. Ameen. On behalf of Pakistan delegation and on my own behalf, I would like to convey our profound gratitude to the government of the Islamic Republic of Iran, the Governor General of Khorasan, the custodian of the Holy Shrine of Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Raza, and their colleagues for extending such a warm hospitality and hosting the event in a befitting manner. I would like to express our deepest appreciation to the distinguished Foreign Minister of Islamic Republic of Iran, our dear brother Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, the current chair, for having ably led this body during this tenure under the very apt and relevant theme of enhanced and resilient ECO region through expansion of intra-regional trade, emphasizing the true spirit of basis of cooperation of ECO. Though Mr. Asad, the Secretary General, has recently joined, but I extend my deepest appreciation for his efforts, and he's a very able diplomat, and his commitment to infuse a renewed vigor and spirit in the organization is very visible. Mr. Chairman, at the outset, I would like to convey our strongest condemnation over the Israeli genocide in Gaza and its aggression in Lebanon and Syria. We are concerned over the escalating hostilities in the Middle East, wherein Israel has endangered regional peace and security. The people of Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, and the wider region deserve to live free from fear and violence. Pakistan reiterates its call to uphold peace and security in this region, safeguard Lebanon's and Syria's sovereignty, and put an end to the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Palestine. Mr. Chairman, Pakistan views ECO as a vital and invaluable platform for our regional countries owing to shared history, cultural and linguistic affinities, common values, and subsequently a mutual destiny. Mr. Chairman, ECO was founded with high hopes and great ambitions. The Treaty of Izmir envisaged a closely knit fraternity of member states in an integrated, interconnected, and prosperous region. Community of the member states provides an excellent opportunity to advance our collective interest in a befitting manner. We are thankful to Almighty Allah for blessing our countries and the region with enormous resources. However, regrettably, we have yet long way to go to realize the spirit and objectives of the Treaty of Izmir by harnessing its full potential and by bringing tangible benefits to the ECO community and its people. Excellencies, as suggested by the Islamic Republic of Iran, the theme of year 2024, enhanced and resilient ECO region through expansion of intra-regional trade, is not only a theme but a guiding principle for all, that the progress and prosperity of the ECO region hinges upon expansion of intra-regional trade. Excellencies, however, it is a matter of great concern that the ECO region comprising an area of 8 million square kilometers and 500 million population, roughly 15% of the world population has intra-regional trade of, unfortunately, less than 8% of region's aggregate and only 2% of the global trade, which is in stark contrast to other regional groupings such as EU, wherein the intra-regional trade stands about 70%, and ASEAN, which is around 23%. Excellencies, ECO trade agreement is a landmark intra-regional preferential trade agreement, which was conceptualized exactly in line with the founding and fundamental goals of this organization to create amenable and conducive conditions for promotion of sustainable economic development of the region, aiming at joint welfare and well-being of member states. ECO trade agreement that primarily aims to lower tariffs in our region over an agreed time framework provides an excellent platform for the promotion of our region's economic interests by trade promotion and facilitation. Despite a considerable period since its inception, it is yet to see daylight of implementation so far as Honorable Secretary General of ECO highlighted, only few member states have signed the agreement. As the coordinating country on ECO trade agreement, Pakistan attaches great importance to its early implementation. We would urge all member states to take a broader and more holistic view of the matter and kindly join us in the earliest implementation of ECO trade agreement. Mr. Chairman, ECO Vision 2025, adopted during the 13th ECO Summit in Islamabad in 2017, is a key document that guides us towards increasing intra-regional trade, strengthening regional connectivity, operationalizing the major ECO transport corridors, coordinating efforts to achieve energy security and sustainability, increasing inter-regional trade, including increasing contribution of ECO countries in the global trade, and finally, promoting tourism. Excellencies, we need to assess our progress with reference to ECO Vision 2025 and redefine our targets and priorities, keeping in view the evolving regional and world order. Now that we are at the cusp of welcoming 2025, we should also give due importance to Uzbekistan proposal of 2035 strategic objectives, which has the potential to contribute to the ECO's goals. Mr. Chairman, the geopolitical significance of our region cannot be overstated. We stand at the crossroads of north-south and east-west hemispheres. The key to unlock the geo-economic potential of the ECO region lies in greater connectivity through development of road and railway network, road corridors, liberalization of visa regimes, and simplification of border procedures. This approach will enable us to act as a bridge and create mutual interdependencies for sustainable growth, while allowing us to devise better strategy for efficient use of energy resources. Mr. Chairman, promotion of trade and investment is a key strategy to strengthen our security. Greater economic cooperation among us all will bring peace and stability in our region. A significant development that happened during recent time is the operationalization of Istanbul, Tehran, Islamabad road corridor. Moreover, under TIR system, trucks of National Logistics Cell of Pakistan have been successfully transiting cargo through Iran. It is imperative that more border crossing points in the ECO region are notified as TIR stations so that the trade operations are similarly facilitated. Excellencies, Pakistan, for its part, is upgrading its rail and road infrastructure to facilitate further smooth flow of goods with our neighbors and beyond. It is important to create functional, interlinked, region-wide transit corridors to facilitate an enabling environment for promoting intra-regional connectivity in its true spirit. Mr. Chairman, ECO specialized agencies and regional institutions in many member states could play a critical role in advancement of the objectives and ideals of our organizations through greater engagement and people-to-people contact. However, I believe that these institutions or specialized agencies will not be able to deliver unless all the member states complete the due formalities for membership with the active contributions. Mr. Chairman, it is necessary that all the ECO member states should join these specialized agencies, ratify the respective charters, and lend their full material and active support to enable them to function effectively. Mr. Chairman, as one of the founding members of ECO, Pakistan has been and will remain an active participant in shaping ECO's agenda. We shall remain fully committed to helping ECO fulfill such agenda. We will continue working with all the ECO member states to closely coordinate our policies to engage and enhance regional trade and connectivity. Mr. Chairman, we wish to see the ECO region transforming into a prosperous trading bloc that stimulates and promotes industrial growth, reduces and eventually eliminates tariff and non-tariff barriers to promote free trade within the region and becomes a factor of global peace, stability and prosperity. Mr. Chairman, I am confident that with our collective and coordinated efforts from the platform of ECO, we can realize the true potential of the ECO region. Pakistan reiterates its firm belief in ECO's founding values and its commitment to ECO Vision 2025 and the Treaty of Azmir. I firmly believe that through our collaborative approach, ECO would serve as an ideal platform to achieve the vision set forth by our predecessors and make ECO an organization which becomes a source of inspiration for others to follow. I thank you all.